Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Valorant error code 57, Vanguard not initialized, with some quick and easy steps. This error usually happens when Riot Vanguard is not running properly. First, restart your PC to reload all system services. Next, open Services on your PC, find the VGC service, and make sure it is running. If it's stopped, start it and set its startup type to automatic. After that, run Valorant and the Riot client as administrator to avoid permission issues. Now, check your antivirus or firewall and temporarily disable it, or add Valorant and Vanguard to the exceptions list so they are not blocked. If the issue still continues, uninstall Riot Vanguard completely from Control Panel, then launch Valorant again to reinstall it automatically. Finally, restart your PC once more and open the game, and the error code 57 should be fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.